In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto reframe in CapCut on PC. So this is actually quite simple. First, of course, you may have a video in here that has auto reframe enabled. However, firstly, I want to say that auto reframe is only available on the Pro version of CapCut. So in case you don't have the Pro version, you can't bother and you don't have to bother by disabling it because it simply cannot be enabled because this is the Pro feature. Now, in case you do have CapCut Pro and you have this feature enabled and you would like to disable it, it's quite easy. Just click on the video clip inside your timeline or sequence where you have your auto reframe enabled. Now you'll see the auto reframe depending on your video, and then you want to click on that clip as I said, and then over here in this menu you want to click on video and then basic, and then you want to scroll down a bit until you see the auto reframe option. As you can see, it says it's pro, and to turn it off, simply press this check mark over here to turn it off, and it should be grayed out, and that's it. So it's now turned off, and I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.